and welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I am here to plan in my mini happy planner, and it is the last week in this one of June. I switched to a new planner in my main horizontal planner. But I'll be finishing out this week here. Or this month in this one. So this week I am so excited, you guys, to tell you that if you don't follow me on Instagram, I am now on the PR team for Paper Focus Partners. And if you guys have followed my channel for a long time, I'm pretty sure I'd have to look back at my planner that they're one of the first kits that I used for the month view. So I'm super excited to just support their shop, and I absolutely love their weekly kits. I get the mini or the horizontal, and I get so many weeks out of them because they're just so, especially because I'm not a no white spread kind of planner, so I get so many weeks out of them. So check out my listing below. I do have a code for 15% off your order. Make sure to mention my name at checkout and let them know that I sent you and use that code so you can. And then also they have a Facebook group that is really fun, so check out Paper Focus on Facebook. I'll put a link to that below, and when you request to be a part of that Facebook group, just let them know that I sent you. So anyway, formalities aside, I am super excited. I am so excited to use this kit and to just, I love their stuff. Anyway, so lately I haven't been using as much washi, and I've been kind of enjoying it. So I used a different kit last week from them. Didn't use any washi, so I'll just continue on with that. I love these little checklists because they fit in them little mini just perfectly. So I am gonna put some of the checklist down on days I normally do things. And then this weekend, I'm actually going to be in Idaho. So I'm not gonna put a checklist on Saturday like I normally would, but I am going to on Friday because I'll need to be getting ready for Idaho. Same with Thursday. Put that one upside down. Comment below if you have any fun 4th of July plans. Mine are to be in Idaho, so I think if you've watched my channel, we have some property up there, so we just go up there and relax and just don't think about life. And we have a 4-wheeler that we take with us, and so we ride that, just hang out with family, and it is so much fun. I want to cover up this place a picture down here, so I am going to use these to do that. Then I just love this. I'm gonna save those for another week though. And I'm gonna use one of these. So I'm going to my niece's play on Monday night. And it normally comes with date covers as well. Those obviously you can't have more than 1 week from, but I did use those already. And then the numbers. I'll use some of these headers to put on the top of my little lists. Got this little teepee decorative sticker. I think since the teepees are there, I'm gonna put this one over here. And this cute flag. I think that I don't know how I want to use it. I want to somehow show that I'm gonna be in Idaho. Maybe I'll use some stickers. So I have have some letter stickers in this new student book. And they're these pink, which will match perfectly. Perfect. That looks so cute. Then, let's see what else I want to do. Even though I said I wasn't using washi, I could use some of these strips that will match perfectly and just kind of make them like washi. I'm gonna use my eye slice. This one is a Pampered Chef eye slice. They don't sell them anymore, but if you just Google eye slice, they have them at Michael's, I think at the Container Store. You can find them on Amazon. You can find them all over the place. And I love it because it gives you a really straight line without having to use scissors or like the credit card. And an X-Acto knife as well would work, but this is meant to cut through only one layer because it was originally meant to like cut coupons or open a pack of CD. And so you don't have to like push super lightly. I mean, I wouldn't push super hard because this paper isn't, especially washi tape's not very thick. But if you just press down, it's not gonna cut through your paper. And I feel like I haven't tried an X-Acto knife, but I do feel like that one would maybe cut through your paper. I do like that. And I did that. Then lastly, I think I'll just put this little guy right here and call it good. So again, I know I said this a million times at the beginning, I'm super excited about Paper Focus. Check out the links below. I will have my code that you can get 15% off. The Facebook group, make sure to mention my name that I referred you, and you'll have kits just as cute as I do. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.